Hi guys, good morning again guys. Let's go to the airport guys to pick up my wife again, my son. Only I think like 1 day, only 1 day lang guys staying in Guam. Supposed to be 2 weeks that one, but I don't know what happened. Let's go at after 9:30 I'm going to the hospital because the hospital will call me. So guys, wait. See if my place now is raining. I holding only my cellphone guys because my cellphone is like bigger to another my cellphone guys. Remember I have another one another cellphone that is 20. This the one is full, but this time I have a new one. Samsung S24 but bigger to the another one. I holding this one. Yeah, this WSR Elementary School. Let's go Mr. B. He said 8 o'clock the airplane arriving, but why don't call me? Eh, that's bitter guys na tayo na mauna dun, waiting nga tayo dun. Yan Mr. B oh, yung harapan ng WSR front door. Yung ticket man dyan. Let's go tayo guys, doon na natin i-continuous yung video natin sa airport. Okay. Alright guys, dito naman tayo sa airport guys. Ay, magandang video dito sa Saipan guys. Kaya tanggap lang. Guys, dito na tayo. Sige, last Inaabot ko pa yan guys yung ano eh. Sila guys oh. Yan sila guys. Okay. Still try. I pick up my wife and my son in the airport. Jesus name. Tiyasa natin sa loob naman guys. At least nandito na tayo sa loob. Iwan ko kung kumakuyan tayo dito kasi late na tayo. Alright. Standby lang guys, waiting for the calling for me. Yes sir. Yan, dito naman tayo. Nagtry. Nam nag-try. Yeah, continuous lang tayo. Kaya tayo yung susunod. Next tayo guys. Continuous live guys. God bless sa iyo guys. Guys, come back 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock daw. Kaya or be hungry. Punta kami sa Mawari. Dito tayo guys. Dito itong Himawari. Japanese food. Ito pansit. Guys, ito na ang pagkain dito guys. Paboritiso ng mga anak ko guys. Ito na lang kami guys. Kasi wala na eh. Ito na sa akin guys. Mr. B oh. $7. Kayong pansit $4. Not bad already. Okay. Ito may sun guys. Alright guys, andito naman kami guys sa PHI Pharmacy guys. Yeah. See? Standby lang muna kami dito guys. Katatapos lang galing sa ospital. Ang oras alas 2, mag alas 3 na guys. Tapos yung backside po sa may right side, masakit kumilos, parang may crack yata to guys. So ano, damages. Saka yung kidney ko, medyo may damage. Simula ito sa Amerika guys. Yan, nagtrabaho ko doon. Kaya ito nga na ano natin ngayon. Kaya andito naman kami ngayon sa pizza sa Dandan Pharmacy. Kumuha naman ang gamot. Well, guys, after this one, other place, I'm already tired and pain. I already bring my medicine, Tylenol for my back pain. Then I thinking already 12:45. Yeah, see, Tylenol. Okay, thank you na guys. See you soon. Mr. B, I love you, Mr. B. See you soon. God bless you guys. I love you guys. I love you, Mama in the sea. I love them in the land. Bye guys. Thank you. Bye.